You've tried to build a routine before, probably more than once. You made the plan, felt that rush of motivation, told yourself, this time, this is the one. And then, a few days later, it's gone. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just doing what everyone else is doing, building routines the wrong way. Most people design routines that look great on paper, but fall apart in real life. Why? Because we don't build routines for the person we are. We build them for the person we wish we were. Some ideal, perfect version of ourselves who wakes up at 5 a.m., meditates, works out for 2 hours, eats clean, avoids distractions, works 8 hours straight, reads 50 pages, journals, sleeps 8 hours, repeats. That's not a routine. That's a fantasy. It's a beautiful, well-packaged dream, and it collapses the moment life happens. And then we blame ourselves. But here's the truth. You don't need more willpower. You need a better system. Let me ask you something. Can your routine survive your worst day? Not your best, your worst. The day you're tired, stressed, sad, distracted, behind schedule. If your answer is no, then your routine is garbage. Because a real system isn't based on your best mood. It's built to survive your worst. Discipline isn't doing amazing things. It's showing up, even when it sucks, even when it's boring, even when you don't feel like it. And that starts with one simple mindset shift. Start stupidly small. Pick something so easy, you can do it half asleep. 5 minutes of stretching, 2 minutes of breathing, 1 glass of water in the morning. Something that feels almost too easy. Because it's not about the task, it's about the signal you're sending to your brain. We're still in control. We still show up. That's the seed. From there, you build slowly. 1 habit at a time. Not 5, not 10, not a full routine ripped from someone's productivity podcast. Only what works for you. Every habit must fight to earn its spot. Ask yourself, does this make me better? Does it make me calmer, stronger, sharper? Or am I just copying someone else's life? If it's not serving you, cut it. Here's what happens when you finally build a routine that matches who you are, not who you pretend to be. You stop overthinking. You stop starting over. Your routine becomes a system. And your system starts running with or without motivation. Your space gets cleaner. Your mind gets quieter. And your confidence? It stops shaking. Because now it's based on proof. People around you will feel it. They won't know what changed, but they'll notice something powerful. You show up. Always. So stop trying to be perfect. Start being consistent. Start small, build slow. Design a routine that survives life. Because this isn't discipline by force, it's discipline by design.